Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Dratini from Pokemon. Let's start with the head first. Draw a circle. Turn the circle into sphere by making two curved lines, one vertical and one horizontal. Draw an ellipse from the intersection point. Draw eye socket. Draw eye socket. Draw ear. Draw ear. Draw a curved line from the head for the body. Draw tail. Detail the body. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.